Hi, I'm Janet Leonard. I am the founder and CEO of Virtual Instructor, and I was given a challenge today to post something about 3 products that I could see myself using in the next 3, 5, 10 years as a software trainer to improve my health. So I did a little twist on that, and I'm going to show you 3 Excel templates that I could see myself using in the next 3, 5, 10 years. So we're going to go ahead and pop over to Microsoft Excel, and I'm in a blank workbook, and all we have to do is go over to the File tab, and when I click on that, that takes us over to what's called the Backstage view, and in here we just want to go to New, and I don't know if you're aware of this, but there are a lot of templates that you can choose from. So down here in the suggested searches, we have business templates, and I'll just click on that so you can see all the business templates. And I'm going to go back, and we're going to focus on the personal templates today because I identified 3 that I think I'd like to use. So one of them is the Calorie Amortization Schedule. So all I have to do is click on this, and it opens up a dialog box. And you can see that this one is provided by Microsoft. Sometimes you'll get it from a third party, but this particular one is from Microsoft. All I have to do is click on Create, and it automatically creates a new workbook for me. And you can see we have all the information set up automatically for me for my Calorie Amortization Schedule. So here's one that I want to use, and now I'd like to go ahead and use another one. So all I have to do is go back up to File, and then I'll go back to New, and I'll go back to Personal. And another one that I thought would be useful for me would be the credit card tracker. So that doesn't have to do with health, like exercising, or calorie counting, but it is nice to track your credit information. So I'll go ahead and click on that one. Again, this one is created by Microsoft. I'll choose Create, and look at that. I can start filling all the information in that I need. And I'll show you one more that I thought would be kind of fun to have. I'll go back to File, back to New, and then you can actually type if you want to search, you can type it in here and search for something. I'm just going to go into Personal, and then I'll scroll down a bit because I found one that tracks wine. So my husband and I like wine. And so I'm going to choose the My Wine Collection. And again, I'll open it up. And now as we try different types of wines, if we want to kind of record whether or not we like them, then we can easily put that in this particular spreadsheet. So if you haven't thought about using the templates, I'll just refresh your memory one more time. I'll go back to File, go back to New. So I looked at Business with You, Personal. Look at some of these other planners and trackers, and then we'll go back a little bit more. You have lists, budgets, charts, and calendars. So this can save you a tremendous amount of time if you're thinking, I have to start this project and I really have no idea where to start. Come over and check out some of these templates. You can always customize them to whatever your needs are. So I hope this gives you some ideas of different ways that you might be able to use these templates that come with Excel to make it easier for you for both business and personal projects.